Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make smoothies easily. First, gather your ingredients and equipment. You'll need a good blender, fresh or frozen fruits, and a liquid base. Choosing right produce is key for the best flavor. A high-speed blender will make your smoothie wonderfully smooth, avoiding any chunky bits. Let's get started with selecting the perfect components for your delicious drink. Now, let's talk about what goes into your blender. For a thick, cold smoothie, aim for 1 to 2 cups of frozen fruit like berries or bananas. Don't forget your greens. A handful of spinach or kale adds vitamins without changing the taste much. For an extra boost, consider adding a scoop of protein powder or a tablespoon of nut butter to keep you feeling satisfied longer. Once your ingredients are in the blender, it's time to blend. Start on a low speed to break down larger pieces, then gradually increase to high. If your smoothie is too thick and not blending well, add a little more liquid, about 1/4 cup at a time, until it moves freely. Blend until there are no visible chunks, usually for 30 to 60 seconds, for that perfect consistency. Finally, the fun part, customizing and enjoying your creation. Don't be afraid to experiment with different fruits, vegetables, and liquids to find your favorite combinations. You can also add toppings like granola, shredded coconut, or chia seeds for extra texture and nutrients. Pour your freshly blended smoothie into a glass and savor every sip. It's a quick, easy, and delicious way to boost your day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.